A market economy is a system where decisions about production and pricing are driven by the interactions of individual citizens and businesses. At its core, a market is simply any place or platform where buyers and sellers come together to exchange goods and services. Unlike systems controlled by a central government, a market economy relies on the combined choices of millions of participants to set value. These systems thrive on competition, which often leads to innovation and a wider variety of products for consumers to choose from. The main difference lies in who holds the steering wheel. In a market system, that power is spread across the entire economy. Prices act as signals. When supply is low and demand is high, prices rise, which naturally encourages more production to meet that need. This concept suggests that by pursuing their own interests, individuals often end up benefiting society as a whole through efficient trade. Understanding these systems helps you navigate your own financial life. Like and subscribe for more basics on how the economy works.